How to fix YouTube comments not showing up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, if your YouTube comments are not showing up, you have to make sure you are using the latest version of your application. So head over to your Play Store. Then at the top search bar, type in YouTube. If your application shows update, tap on update and update your app. Once done, open it. And likewise, get logged into your specific YouTube account. Once done, tap on Use section at the bottom right hand side. You will see a page like this. Here you will also see a settings icon on your top right hand side. Tap it. Under Account, tap on General. And at the below section, you will see that by default, restricted mode might be toggled on. You have to make sure that you have toggled this off and all the comments will be shown. Just like so guys, this is how you can fix your YouTube comments not showing up. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.